Next up, we are at a point of bleeding the front brakes. So first thing that you want to do is just remove this the the kind of a key that holds the upper cap, and then like once you remove this, you have to unscrew this top cap or cover, as you want to say, and then start putting the brake fluid in. Just make sure, or whenever you are like bleeding the brakes, this cylinder should never go empty, because that will lead to air bubbles or air into the brake lines, and then that will cause like bleeding brakes again and again. So let's start this process. This is just like a star screw that I need to open, so no big thing. So as you can see, I was able to open this plate, the safe plate on this brake master cylinder. You unscrew this, or you open the top lid, and then you will see you'll have a rubber gasket and like a silicon gasket, just to prevent the entry of water into the brake fluid. So we'll just take that off and then pour some brake fluid in, and then start bleeding the brakes. On this side, if you see, like I'm on the right side or the right caliper, first you need to take this protection rubber off, and then like this would be the location where you start bleeding the brakes. Let me start with this pretty easy task again. One, you just need a screwdriver to take this rubber off. So if you see, once that is done, now you just need an 8mm wrench, but I did not have it, so what I'll do is I'll use like an adjustable wrench, and then just open this slightly. The trick is just to crack it open. That's about it. So this is done. Now I'll use my brake leader vacuum pump kit over here, pump some vacuum, and then on the top you need to take this cover off. If you see, I have some water deposits, so I'll clean that. Now this is my silicon gasket. It's quite similar to how the rear brake master cylinder was, so I'll clean this off. Make sure you wipe your hands regularly, because the brake fluid by nature is very corrosive. It can damage your clothes easily, so be very careful with this job. And then this is the rubber gasket. Let me clean this up as well. Alright, so I think we should be good here. I'll just put this cover back very lightly. I'll tighten it, and then just start pressing this brake. So if you see, we had this, can you see the fluid coming out? So I think we have about 100 psi of vacuum in this brake bleeder, and then we are also pressing this brake lever here so that we can push all this fluid out, and then replace all this fluid with like the new brake fluid. Try to do this process like every once in a year if you ride your motorcycle a lot, but because I don't ride it quite often, so I try to do it like only once in 2 years. Or if I see the discoloration of the brake fluid, like I know Motul is like kind of a light green to yellowish brake fluid.
Yo, some non-rad music. Yo, some non-rad music. Yo, some non-rad music. Yo, Simran Brad music.